Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn about absolute cell reference. In last video, we have learned about relative cell reference, right? So in today's video, we are going to learn about absolute cell reference. So what is this absolute cell reference? Here in absolute cell reference, it don't change when you copy the formula from one cell to other cell. So how? Let me show you how it works in absolute cell reference. So here I need to calculate the commission for each item and the commission is 10%. So how will you calculate here? So to calculate here in G2 I have to give the formula. I will say is equal to and the total amount is in F2. So F2 into and where is the commission here in H1? So I will take H1 and just press enter key. So here 500 is the commission amount, right? So in general, what we do in relative cell reference, what we do, just we copy, like we drag and we copy the formula in other cells. But here you can see here it is showing 0, 0. The reason, what is the reason? Now if you'll check the formula here in G3, G3 here you can see F3, it's correct. F3 into it is given H2. But here in H2 nothing is there. It's empty. The cell is empty in H2, right? So that's the reason it is showing 0. So what we have to do is now we have to use absolute cell reference here. That means I have to lock. I have to lock this H1. Now how will you lock? So for locking we have to use the dollar symbol here. So F2. So here F2 should be relative, right? So here F2, F3, F4 should be relative here. But here H1 should be absolute. So here I will say here for H1, either you can use dollar symbol here for before column and before row. H is the column and 1 is the row. So before H, before 1, we have to use dollar symbol, or else you can use the shortcut, that is function key F4. So once you will say F4 here, F4, you can see automatically the dollar symbol is added before H and before 1. Right? Now you just press enter key. So now it became absolute. Now it became absolute from relative. Right? Now you can easily drag the same formula in other cells. So how will you drag? Just use this handle and drag it. Now see here, you will get the commission for all the items. You can see the commission amount for all the items. So here you can see the formula. Here F3. Yes, this is F3 because it's relative. We did not lock it. But here H, see here, the H1 is same. Why? Because we have locked it. It will not change. Then next F4, H1. See here. So like this is called absolute cell reference. That means when you copy, it will not change to the other value, right? So this is called absolute cell reference. So in absolute, when you copy the formula, it will not change and it will remain same. And for that, we used to log the row and column by using dollar symbol. So friends, I hope it's clear about the absolute cell reference. Thank you for watching.